Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the contacts tab at the bottom. And in here, to delete a contact, you can touch and hold on the contact that you want to remove. For example, this one right here, Mr. Blake. So touch and hold on that contact. And once it is in selected mode, you can select one or multiple contacts. So you can also select the all button at the top here, or you can manually select one by one. Now after that, you can tap on the delete button down here, and then tap on move to trash. Now another way to do it is to tap on the menu key at the top here and then tap on delete contacts. Then in here you can select the contacts that you want to delete and then tap on the delete button, and again just tap on move to trash to remove it from your contacts app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your home screen, or simply just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.